In this video, I will teach you how to build AI WhatsApp chatbot with integrated knowledge base of your company business so that AI chatbot knows all the aspects of your business and capable of answering different questions about specifics of your solutions, offerings, products, etc., etc. The bot is capable of the following. First, it is available online 24/7. Second, it can chat in more than 60 languages. Third, it performs lead qualification. Fourth, for qualified leads, the bot will collect personal data such as emails and phone numbers and books meetings with qualified leads using HubSpot integration. All of that with ability to support a high-quality dialogue about your company specifics. Interested? Let's see how to do it. To replicate this pipeline, first go to your N8N account. Pay attention that this is cloud account, not a local one. Click button Create a workflow. At the top right corner of the screen, find three dots and click Import from file. Upload the JSON of the workflow and you will see the workflow. The workflow consists from three parts. The first one is responsible for building a part of a brain of AI chatbot, which is made of any documents that you have there. This part is run manually. Second part in green is responsible for parsing your website and adding all the information that is represented on your website to the brain of the AI chatbot. So these two parts are both responsible for enhancing the brain of our AI chatbot, but using different materials. This uses files and this uses any online presence of your business. The third and the final part is the chatbot itself. It has multiple integrations and supports messaging with your potential clients and generating answers and collecting data and everything else. Let's review and set up each of these parts. Uploading of slides and documents into the vector store works as such. It starts from a manual trigger. Pay attention that this node already has credentials. Check out how to set them up in the related video. The resource will be file. Once you select all of that, you will see a list of files. It means that the integration was successful and this node has access to your Google Drive account. If you don't see a list here, something went wrong. Another node I'm just using for another document which I have. This is the requirements. I'm using the same account, resources file, operation download. And if I click here, I see also the list. It means that it works. For example, one of the files which I uploaded contains my company pitch deck, different partners, cases. These files are uploaded to a simple vector store, which uses OpenAI account to split the files into embeddings and upload into the vector database. Let's fix the embeddings node. We need to connect the credentials. Here I am using my OpenAI account. I showed how to set up it in another video. You should see a link in the top right corner now. Feel free to click it if you don't know how to set up it. Now I don't have a red sign here. Upload files to your Google Drive and select them from list here if you want to add them to the AI brain. If not, this pipeline is optional. Feel free to skip it. Let's run the first pipeline. We click manual trigger. We upload the files. We use embeddings to upload everything to the vector store. We see that 2 files have been processed and we received 22 embeddings that are now stored in our AI brain. This database is later connected here when the agent generates answer. This vector store is used as a knowledge base for an agent. Pay attention that here is the same vector store and now we will populate it with even more information about our company using our website. This pipeline is triggered by a button execute workflow. The only thing that you have to set up here is settings. Double click settings node and you will see 3 fields that you have to update. First is Firecrawl API. Firecrawl is an online program. Click Google search, type Firecrawl you will appear on this website. I already signed in. You will have a button sign up. It is super simple. Sign up, then go to dashboard. On the dashboard, the only thing that you need is API key. Copy it and paste it instead of this placeholder here. That's it. Then website of your business. Mine is academy.ai. I just copy URL, paste URL here. My website is very simple. It's one-pager landing page, so I don't need a large depth. Depth of 1 will be enough. If your website has a big depth, one pages lead to another pages, and that pages leads to even like more subsequent pages, you will need a greater number here. It is easy to calculate. The greatest depth of the tree of your website will be the number you have to put here. Then you can be sure that all the information is there. That's it. I have very shallow website. That's enough for me. Here is this API is called, the data is fetched and then again populated into the same vector database. Again, we will need here to add our account. Pay attention that if it doesn't work for you, it means you have to add billing and some credits to this account to work. It doesn't work without costs. It's platform.openai.com. Go to settings. Billing, my credit balance is larger than 0. If you see here a 0, it means that your API will not work. Click add to credit balance, how much, and the way how to add it, continue. In this way, you will fulfill your balance and be able to call the API. Let's return to N8N. After setting up everything here, let's execute this part of the workflow. For this, click arrow down and select when clicking workflow and execute this workflow. You will see that all the nodes are executed. This one might take a while, even like 10 and 20 minutes if your website has a large depth. So let's wait for it. After a while, we will see that our website has been processed. We see that the two elements have been processed. One of them didn't fit the condition and only one fit the condition, text block, which we put into a vector database, which now has even more data about our company. Let's review and set up the final block. It is made of the following elements. First, it's a WhatsApp trigger. Your AI chatbot will listen to a phone number, and when somebody sends a message to this phone number, the whole pipeline is invoked. Here we are integrating WhatsApp with a HubSpot and splitting messages into supported and unsupported types. The supported types are messages. Everything else, images and videos, are not supported, so they fall into another node with response: I'm unable to process non-text messages, please send text messages. Thank you. That's it. Let's set up our credential. I have here my account, WhatsApp OAuth account. Please check out a video which appears in the top right corner right now if you don't know how to set it up. Next node is AI agent, which contains a prompt for the pre-qualification of a lead. It is based on OpenAI chat model. Let's connect the same account I just showed you. If you want a simpler bot, you can leave 4.1 mini. It's more or less okay for this task. If you have a large database, a lot of knowledge about your business, then probably it will be not that good, and pick up something better, for example 4.0 or 0.1, maybe 4.1. It has a larger attention window and its memory is larger. It's 1 million tokens, something like that. This one is simpler but 10 hundredths time cheaper. Here I will turn on my real phone number, not a test one. If you don't know how to integrate your real phone number with the WhatsApp API and Meta Business account, check out the video which is in the top right corner now. I show you there how to do it. Here, please notice that the agent is integrated with a vector store we've just populated with the knowledge about your documents of the company and the website of the company. It also uses embeddings from OpenAI. We're using the same account that I showed you here. The same. This node parses outputs in a desired format. AI agent contains prompt which is optimized for my company and contains all the pre-qualification steps for my company and also tools overview. You will receive it with this JSON. Use it as an example, but please modify it for your company. It is as easy as that. Go to ChatGPT, type something like this. You are sales expert and professionally create system prompts for WhatsApp AI chatbots. Create an AI agent for a company that teaches entrepreneurs how to automate marketing, sales, recruiting, and customer support processes using artificial intelligence. Use information about the company from this website. Then the chatbot performs lead qualification, collects leads contact data such as emails, phone numbers, etc., books meetings with qualified leads. Again, here you should use your company as an example to get the script or system prompt that fits your company and your AI chatbot. Now you have a system prompt, lead qualification steps, contact data collection, meeting scheduling, seamless experience, conversation sample. Copy this and paste here. This agent uses several parameters to collect information from potential customer and perform lead qualification. It outputs two decisions. One is lead qualified and second, lead is disqualified. If lead is disqualified, we're responding something like, thank you for your time, let's connect later, all excuses that you can imagine. Don't forget to remove this red sign with connecting your OpenAI account again. A subsequent AI agent is invoked when the lead is qualified. Agent creates a record in HubSpot. Let's remove this red sign here by connecting our HubSpot account. If you don't know how to create and connect HubSpot to N8N, please see this video in the top right corner. I explain it there. To remove the red sign from this node, we need to again add here our HubSpot account. Very important, don't forget to integrate your calendar in the HubSpot. In this way, you will see the meetings that have been booked through the link on your calendar. To finish the HubSpot setup, find your meeting link. It is under Sales Meeting Scheduler. Copy the link, find the HubSpot link node in your pipeline and replace this placeholder. Input your HubSpot meeting link here with your actual meeting link. Here we are adding a contact data of a potential customer to the HubSpot, checking whether it happened successfully. And here again, we will need our HubSpot account. Please use it and reply to a user. Here we need to connect our WhatsApp account. You can check how to do it in this video. We are just reusing the same. Select your HubSpot account in Create an Engagement node. And again, reuse your WhatsApp account in Reply to User node. One more thing that can prevent you from running the pipeline successfully. Let's imagine you try to execute the pipeline and in executions you see error, problem in node, reply to user 2. This is one of the WhatsApp nodes. Authorization failed. Please check your credentials. It means that your token expired. Another way to spot it is when you select WhatsApp account and you don't see a number here. So now whatever number I select, I don't see the number here. It means that the token has expired. Like, what to do with this? Go to your Meta Business Suite account, regenerate token, copy this token, go back to your pipeline, create new credential, paste token here, and copy your business account ID. Now you should see your phone number, the same phone number you have here. It means that now it should be fine. Please go to other nodes and fix it. See, now it knows your phone number. It means that everything is fine. Let's save the workflow. To test it, make it active. You will see the notification that the workflow is activated. It means that this node is listening to messages. Now I will switch to my mobile phone to show you how it works. So I'm opening my WhatsApp account. I'm adding here a new contact. I'm entering the phone number that you just saw. Hi there. We see that the message has been read by the agent and now it generates the answer. Hello again. How can I assist you today? Are you interested in learning more about our education programs or services? Yes, please tell me more about education programs. Blackthorn Academy offers exclusive AI education focusing on automating business operations, including marketing, sales, recruiting, and customer support. This is exactly what I wrote on the website. Our programs include hands-on experience with real case studies from various industries. Are you looking for more personal use, company-wide, or both? Company-wide, I want to automate recruitment and customer support. Great. To better assist you, may I ask, what is your education objective with automating recruitment and customer support? Do you have a time frame in mind for implementing these automation solutions? I want to see now pre-qualification happens to automate the processes by the end of this summer and teach my teams to do it. Thanks for sharing your time frame. Just one more question. Are you also interested in marketing or sales automation, or focusing solely on recruitment and customer support? Let's say solely, it tries to do an upsell. This is good. Solely on recruitment and customer service. Thank you for the details. Would you like me to book a call with one of our specialists? They are available Monday to Friday. Yes, please. Great. In order to confirm the booking and send you useful materials, could you please share your best Gmail address? It collects my personal data according to the script. So I sent my email, and the next message from the chatbot is the following. Great. You qualified to speak with our specialists. Oh, I have to make it softer. You can choose a time that works for you here. And see, I have a HubSpot link, right? So I can click it and I have a direct access to a calendar. So I select the date, the time, and booking confirmed. That's it. On the contacts page of the CRM, you will see automatically created a new contact with the email that I just input in the chat. Plus, you will see a notification that Alex Kurbich attempted to book a meeting. Even more, you will see the meeting in your calendar. In this way, we've just created an intelligent AI WhatsApp chatbot integrated with your company knowledge base, your CRM, capable of pre-qualification of leads and booking meetings that you can see on your calendar. In this way, you will save tons of time and budget, believe me. Want to learn this and more automations for business? Join our course in the description.